Hi guys, I am Tori Trades, and this is 10 things that I can't travel without. Okay, all I brought was this giant bag, which is what I travel with. Now, luckily, today was a surprise 10 things you can't live without, so we're gonna find out what 10 things I can't travel without today. Here we go. First and foremost, I've already pulled this out of the bag. So, this is number one, my Mac. When I tell you that I don't go anywhere without this, I am always FaceTiming sister, always looking at my trades, I do live streams, I do classes, I do everything from just this laptop. So, we don't go anywhere without the laptop. Next out of the bag, we've got work phone, trading phone. We've got two separate phones. This one's for trading, it's got a really big screen. This one is for fun content. To be honest, I like this one better. It's smaller, it's lighter, it's easier to take pictures. I'm a weird Apple nerd. When I tell you I have an Apple Watch, I have two iPhones, I have a Mac, I have AirPods, I have AirPod Maxes. I got the first Nano when it came out. I had the iPod Shuffle, I had the iPod OG, I had the first iPhone that came out. I'm a fan. So yes, and it took a lot to convince my dad to get me the iPod Nano for Christmas. All right, so we got the two phones. So we got the Mac and the two phones always with me. All right, we've got the AirPod Maxes traveling with me at all times. All right, well, we're gonna stick to the Apple theme then and go with the AirPods. Now here's the difference. I have to travel with both. These are for just running around. I got the one ear in, I'm doing stuff, I'm talking, I'm on the phone. This is like hone in, zone in, work mode, cancel out everything around me. Very different, so I need both at all times. Okay, so now that we've finished all of the Apple products, the next is my purpose planner. I love my purpose planner. I love my purpose planner. Let me just open it up to a really good, solid planning week. Okay, so this is prepping for Dubai. This is all of the things that I need to accomplish throughout the week. It's got morning habits, it's got sleep tracker, it's got a bunch of check boxes. You can even give your week a rating, a 5-star rating, and we love that. So we've got my purpose planner, comes with me. Assortment of markers and pens. I really like color coding my stuff, so I feel like a little high school kid. I travel with my markers. Next we have this very important case. It has hard drives, memory cards, everything you need to be the best content creator you can be. SD card, 256 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes, 256. We got this bad boy. So we've got all of the content creator travel things you need. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 2 more things. I have socks in here only because I took them away from my dog because he was chewing on them and I didn't know where else to put them. Okay, next is my notorious Lululemon fanny pack. I wish I would just get a designer bag and throw this in the trash, but I can't let it go, and I can't stop. So we've got everything we need at all times in this little guy. We've got some lip gloss, we've got our ID, our cards. This is my purse, my fanny, unfortunately. 10, my Meta glasses. These have helped tremendously for recording content. I'm gonna go ahead and hit record right now and make some content while I'm creating content. There we go. We are recording simultaneously while recording. This is the case that they go in. It also charges them. Okay, so that is 10 things that Tori can't travel without on the fly in this little Aloe bag that I got for buying things from Aloe. Okay, so recap, everything Apple, unfortunately. We've got AirPods, AirPod Maxes, the 2 iPhones, the purpose planner, and the markers. Ray-Ban Meta glasses, travel memory cards and SSD, the Lululemon fanny pack, my portable workstation, my MacBook. So that is in my giant Aloe bag at all times. Thanks for hanging out and seeing what 10 things Tori can't travel without.